Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your account, so Instagram will show CTA options. Switch to a business or creator account because that unlocks buttons. This matters because Instagram ties CTAs to these account types. Once done, connect a Facebook page or add verified contact details. The platform checks these for functionality. Next, check your profile includes a website link and concise bio. These improve visitor trust and support certain CTA behaviors. Now you're ready to open the action button settings. You'll now add the actual action button so followers can act immediately. Go to Edit Profile, tap Action Buttons, and choose a supported partner or Instagram's native options. Pick Book, Order, Reserve, or Get tickets based on your goal. Once selected, enter the required service details like a booking URL, provider account ID, or API key. This is why accurate provider info matters. After populating fields, save and confirm the button appears on your profile. Test it to verify the flow from tap to convert. You'll finish by verifying the CTA works and troubleshooting any gaps. Test the button from a different device and from an incognito or logged out view so you see what new users experience. This reveals permission or caching issues. If the button is absent, make sure your account type is still business/creator, the Facebook page link is active, and partner credentials are correct. These are the usual blockers. If problems persist, document screenshots and reach out to Instagram support or your partner for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.